everyone, today I'm here to review the Ordinary serum which I have. Before that, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon in case you need further notification on such videos. This is a serum which is from the Ordinary company, niacinamide 10% plus 1% zinc. The packaging looks like this in a bottle glass with a dropper, so that you can have a control on the usage of serum. So it is a transparent liquid. This bottle weighs around 30 ml and it would cost you around 2000 INR. I have bought this around 6 to 7 months ago from a website called Cult Beauty. It's an international website. You can buy it from any international websites. It's easily available. I would drop the link in the description box in case you want to buy it from Cult Beauty. This is basically having a formula called high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula, which is mentioned on the bottle here. So basically it's a combination of two basic ingredients called niacinamide, which is a vitamin called vitamin B3, which is very good for your blemishes. I have a little bit blemishes on my skin, so I am using this since last 6 to 7 months, and it has worked very well to my skin. So that's why I'm continuing with this this particular serum since last 6 to 7 months. I would use it for a year to see if the blemishes are going completely. However, I would like to mention here that my blemishes has reduced a lot with this usage of this one. Now this vitamin B3 is being balanced and supported with zinc salt of 1%. What does the zinc salt does is it supports the serum with sebum activity, control on the sebum activity. So now if you are tend to have pimples, a lot of pimples on your face on regular basis, this is gonna control that. So this is altogether a very good serum on day-to-day basis. In case you are having a pimple issue and you have a lot of blemishes, you should definitely consider this. Only recommendation here is, in case you are using any vitamin C serum, please do not use it together with this one. For example, if you are using any vitamin C serum today, you can use this by tomorrow. Do not combine these in the same day, because the usage of this with vitamin C would reduce the activity of vitamin C. So I would recommend you not to use those two things together. However, this is what is this about. I will show you how it feels like. I'll just show you one drop of it. It's a transparent liquid, as I told you. It's a very lightweight serum with no fragrance, and it gets absorbed very quickly. So it's very easy to use because it gets absorbed very quickly, and it doesn't have fragrance, which is very good for your skin. Any fragrance-free product for your skin is very good. So you may consider this one to use. It may sound very costly to you, but believe me, it lasts for very long. So you can always try this because it's giving you a good result. Instead of buying so many products and having no value to it, please go for this. I would recommend, and let me know how it feels for you, how it reacts for your skin. And in case you have any questions, please put them in my comment box. I'll try to revert. And please subscribe to my channel. Please do take care of your skin, your health, and your family. Have a good day. Bye.